Hi Patience, thanks very much indeed for the question that you've sent in about your Lamona oven. Now first things first, your Lamona oven is an LAM3451 and you're telling me that you've got a broken outer door glass on your cooker and you need to replace it and you want the procedure for doing this. I've attached a link in the description on this video that will take you through to a web page that has the workshop manual on this cooker for you. Now, as I said, Lamona is manufactured by Beko, so I'm putting a lot of other detailed information on the page so I don't have to remake it for other people in future. And this workshop manual not only shows you how to replace your door glass, it will show you how to replace selector switch, thermostats, timer, oven element, fan oven element, grill element and base element, how to replace the hinges, fan motor and many other parts as well, and it will show you the test procedure as well. I've also managed to get you the wiring diagram on this cooker, which will assist you in the future if you do have any other repairs, and I've also put some very useful videos on the door glasses as well to assist you. Now, to replace the door glass on the more modern cookers is very straightforward. You only have to strip the door down. There's usually a couple of locking catches at the bottom to take the door off, and I would put it on a towel on a good solid table before you start the work and stripping it down. The inner door glass will have to come out. On modern cookers, the plastic catch just comes away, and then you've got access to the inner door glass, which then give you access to the screws that hold the whole glass assembly together. Do make sure to watch your fingers on the actual hinges because the springs are very strong. Now, when it comes to the hob that you're on about, although you've told me it's a Lamona hob, the model number is totally different to the oven. On the ovens, the model number will usually be on the frame or on the back of the cooker, but the hob is very hard to identify. If the hob is on top of the cooker, then you're going to have to slide the oven out and get a torch and look at the underside of the hob, and this will give you the full model number off the identification plate on the hob. When it comes to jets or the burner not working, and if it's sparking and igniting and you can see a spark but no gas is coming through, then it may be a very easy fix. This could be just a blocked jet. You may have had spillage on the hob and fluid has gone down into the jet and blocked the jet completely. You'll just need to have a look at a video that I've done on how to unblock hob jets, and basically you only have to remove the jet and give it a clean, put it back in, and it should all work perfectly again. Anyway, all the information you need on this cooker is in the description, and I've put a link to the web page. You've got the wiring diagram, workshop manual that will show you how to replace every component on the actual oven. This will be thermostatic system, the control system, each individual element, and on your single oven I believe there's 3 elements. You have a base element, a fan oven element and a grill element, and of course you've got the 2 fan motors, the main fan motor in the oven and of course the cooling fan on the top. But all the information you need is in this workshop manual. I hope this manages to get your cooker up and running together. There's also exploded diagrams on the page of every component to do with this cooker, and there's links there which will take you through to any parts that you need. Hope all this information helps you. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us. Have a great Christmas. See you again.